Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a folder on Telegram. If your chat list is starting to look a little crowded, this is the perfect way to organize your conversations and keep things neat. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the home screen where all your chats appear. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines that open up your settings panel. Next, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your Telegram experience. From here, scroll down until you see the section labeled Chat Folders. Go ahead and tap on that. Now it's time to actually create your new folder. Tap the button that says Create New Folder. Telegram will now allow you to give your folder a name. Pick something that helps you recognize what the folder is for, like work, family, friends, or groups. Once you've typed in the name, you can move on to choosing which chats you want to include. You'll see a list of all your active chats, channels, and groups. Simply select the ones you'd like to add to this new folder. You can include as many as you need, and don't worry, you can always change them later. When you've made your selections, tap Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a new folder on Telegram. Your new folder will now show up at the top of your chat list, letting you switch between groups of conversations more easily. If you ever want to edit or delete a folder, just come back to the Chat Folders section and make any changes you want. Organizing your chats can make a huge difference, especially if you use Telegram for work, study, or connecting with a lot of people. So, take a minute to create folders that suit your lifestyle. It's quick, simple, and keeps your app looking clean and efficient. Thanks for watching.